Coffee ni kick the masaka bijan no semia kata coffee ni kick bom kha
re na kiri wo
semia kata
ai ri mo hakima guna
no bela ja wrestling ro bai tong run tong ke marang
ma ma se ko beri ne te
ka no ko tongo ani ko khna de no bela nya rang ja ko ina sak sak o alon ba chino ka bu ka se pula nya musu ko nya blazer jar style ho hanga ringo je pai nai bo na alon malang nai tam bai nya ko ko chade
nimni ka
ya ko hindi ang go show hindi
ang sanu ka no kan re tui phanya champion chau
je azaka ringo je pai nai bo na alon manai bo na pro champion nai buji khna le ni tho hade
It's a new day, yes it is!
Gentlemen, there are some things in life you sit back and you know they just feel right. This just feels right. The New Day return to their home brand of SmackDown. The energy still lingering in New York from the amazing Sunday. Kofi Kingston, the New Day, and the entire WWE Universe experience. There could not be a more deserving superstar. His family at ringside joining the celebration. Careful what you ask for, Sammy.
Influences in my head, they count for me, they understand, they talk to me.
It is time for our main event here on SmackDown Live, and the Viper is ready.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Introducing first, from St. Louis, Missouri, weighing in at 250 pounds, he is the WWE Champion, the Viper, Randy Orton!
Every generation, someone comes along that is so much better than everyone else. They just make it look easy.
Ladies and gentlemen, the WWE World Heavyweight Champion, John Cena!
Oh yes! The champ is here!
And as we head toward the fatal four-way match this coming Sunday at Battleground, live on the WWE Network, things are really heating up between the four participants. Let's take you back to this past Monday night, live on Raw. It was John Cena versus Mr. Money in the Bank, Seth Rollins, before the match was even concluded. It could be Orton, it could be Cena, it could be Kofi. They meet in a triple threat match live tonight. To face Sheamus for the WWE title at the Royal Rumble event. And King, remember triple threat rules. First person to gain pinfall or submission in this match wins. And Orton goes right after John Cena, Kingston after Randy Orton. Here we go, King. Any strategy for any one of these individuals?
Well, I don't know if you're going to see, well, possibly Cena and Kofi Kingston might form some sort of alliance, but I don't think there's going to be anybody that's going to trust themselves partnering up with Randy Orton in this match. And here you see it already.
Well, Cena and Kingston can get rid of Orton in this one-on-one matchup, a little more manageable for both. And remember the personal issues between Cena and Orton and Kingston and Orton. John Cena and Randy Orton really having the rivalry of the year last year. And Randy Orton has unleashed the side of Kofi Kingston we never knew existed. A steal one! The Viper!
Kingston and Cena lying in wait, just waiting for Orton to get back to his feet.
This is great strategy.
Not great for Randy Orton.
Yeah, but if you take Orton out, again, it's a one-on-one matchup. And look at this. Fisherman suplex by Randy Orton. I should say by John Cena. And Orton in deep trouble with two of his greatest enemies in the ring with him here.
know, Sheamus' point early on. Watch out here.
Oh, John Cena not going to let Randy Orton get any rest. Going to toss him back into Kingston. Orton is in trouble. Kofi Kingston trying to take advantage of it here in the early going of this triple threat matchup.
As I was saying earlier, Sheamus tried to get Mike Tyson to just make all of these three guys enter the Royal Rumble and win their opportunity to wrestle for the title at WrestleMania.
Yeah, Sheamus said, quote,
the Royal Rumble off.
I should take the Rumble off. He also called Tyson a washed-up champion as Orton is eliminated, and now we are down to two. I should say eliminated from this juncture of the match. Kofi Kingston left alone with Cena in the ring. Triple threat rules. First man to gain pinfall or submission will win.
You can't see me. Five knuckle shuffle.
Is it enough for Cena? Randy Orton. He's stepping up the way many young superstars have, including that man.
Oh, there he is.
The WWE Champion Sheamus, who we'll find out tonight who his next opponent will be.
Look at Orton, look at Orton,
Oh, look at this. The Viper slithering in the ring from behind. And to your point, King, the Viper.
Ever the opportunist, Randy Orton.
Who will face Sheamus for the WWE title at the Royal Rumble event? This triple threat match continues live when we return to Monday Night Raw. We're back live on Monday Night Raw. Randy Orton, Kofi Kingston, and John Cena in a triple threat match. The winner to face Sheamus for the WWE title in 3 weeks at the Royal Rumble event, but Cena is in dire straits.
Well, Cena trying to pull himself up here. Trouble right into the stairs head first
Randy Orton.
by Randy Orton, and then this just
Feeling
seconds ago.
Goes
during
for the
the
outside.
Wow, right out
Kofi
here on our
Kingston,
next
jaw
face
and
first.
face. Cena out of the equation for the time being. Randy was center of the ring. Threat rules. Submission will win this match, and you saw the WWE Champion is in the arena. Sheamus is watching this match from the stage. There you see Sheamus. The Viper. He will know his next opponent, who he will face in 3 weeks at the Royal Rumble event at the Phillips Arena in Atlanta.
John Cena trying to pull
Oh, no,
himself
not
up.
this.
Oh,
This is
was a
not what
mistake.
Cena wants here. Randy Orton setting Cena up for that vicious DDT. Oh, look at you, Cena. Look at Orton's eye. Kofi Kingston looking to make the most of this opportunity here tonight on Monday Night Raw.
Well, good strategy by Kofi Kingston, but it's going to take more than this. Watch this look again on the face of Randy Orton. Look in his eyes. And then, boom, he drops John Cena head first into that mat.
What a drop kick you saw on the top left-hand corner of your screen. Kofi Kingston delivered to Orton. And suddenly it's Kofi Kingston who's been embroiled in such an intense personal rivalry with Orton.
Wow.
And look at that off the backbreaker. John Cena from out of nowhere. And John Cena's rolling. You got to admire the resilience of John Cena.
Well, John Cena had a few moments to basically get some R. Oh, no.
Orton and Cena,
There goes that momentum.
13 times between them world champions. Kofi Kingston with the SOS. Will he get his first WWE title opportunity? No.
Wow.
Kicked out by Orton at 2.
How did Randy Orton kick out of that? Amazing. Ooh, look at the kicks.
Now it's Kingston building momentum. And John Cena dropped toe hold. Remember, submissions count, STF, Kingston taps, Cena moves on. Kingston taps, Cena moves on. He's got him. Will Kingston tap to the STF?
He's going to have to.
Orton's out of it. Kingston's got to make it to the ropes, so this one's over. It'll be Cena going to the Rumble.
How is Kofi Kingston hanging on here?
Somehow trying to crawl. And
Oh, here he goes. He's going to tap.
got his way to the rope, but will he tap out to the STF? Randy Orton saving the matchup. Not only for Kingston, but for himself. So
Himself to John Cena. You can't see me. Five knuckle shuffle.
is it enough for Cena? Randy Orton.
Attitude adjustment.
Oh, Kofi Kingston saving the matchup. Now tries to wear down the pressure man, John Cena. Drop kick to the jaw of Cena. Kofi Kingston, the controlled frenzy, looking to ride that wave into. And John Cena dropped toe hold. Remember, submissions count, STF, Kingston taps, Cena moves on. Kingston taps, Cena moves on. He's got him. Will Kingston tap to the STF?
He's going to have to.
Orton's out of it. Kingston's got to Kofi Cena going to the Rumble.
How is Kofi Kingston hanging on here?
Somehow trying to crawl and
Oh, here goes him tap.
got his way to the Rumble. Will he tap out to the STF?
Randy Orton
Saving the matchup. Cody Rhodes way to the Royal.
Ladies and gentlemen, the WWE World Heavyweight Champion, John Cena.
Oh yes, the champ is here. And as we head toward the fatal four-way match this coming Sunday at Battleground, live on the WWE Network, things are really heating up between the four participants. Let's take you back to this past Monday night, live on Raw. It was John Cena versus Mr. Money in the Bank.
So much for that hold.
Never before has Legacy affected a hit and run like they did tonight. Two victims sent Randy Orton to the Royal Rumble for a WWE Championship match.